Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a very simple way to convert text from a Word document into an image. First I'll open Microsoft Word and create a simple example. For this demonstration I will create a simple small advertisement for computer and digital services. So here I type some text for advertisement. Now our text is ready. I'll format the text a little to make it look clean and easy to read. Now I will select the text that I want to convert into a picture. Right click on the selected text and choose copy. Next, place the cursor where you want the picture to appear. Again, right click on the Word document. Then under the paste options, you will see the picture. So select picture. As you can see, the text has now been converted into a picture. I can move this picture around and resize it just like any other image. Now to save this picture as a file, right click on this picture and select save as picture. Select the location where you want to save this picture. Here I will give the image a name. For the file type, I will choose PNG instead of JPG. PNG is a good choice for text and graphics because it keeps the image sharp and can also support transparent backgrounds. When saving this type of Word documents directly as a JPG, you may sometimes find that the background or formatting does not appear correctly and can even turn black. So I will use PNG to avoid this problem. Finally, I click Save. And now our Word text has been saved as a PNG image. So here is our saved picture. So this simple trick can be useful when sharing notice on WhatsApp, posting text on social media, creating simple advertisement, or when you want the text to keep the same formatting when you share it. And that's how you can easily convert text from Microsoft Word into a picture. And if you found this simple trick useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy and practical computer tips.